water is going and how actual silent is, since we're talking about the silent today. Okay, so this whole class that we started on Friday and we're continuing today, we're seeing how water moves through the soil, through the roots, through the xylem, and up in the that's the whole thing. So on Friday we talked about how the water moves through the soil by bulk flow, and we talked about bulk flow being a pressure gradient. Okay, that's basically what bulk flow is. So this water moves through the soil, so we're talking within soil particles. Remember we talked about how different types of soils, so clay, sand, or silt, or loamy soils, how they affected how much water they can retain, how much water can be accessible to the plant. So water moves through soil particles by a pressure gradient, so by bulk flow. So I want you to briefly, talk in your groups and get an idea, again, practice for the first exam. What drives movement of water through the soil? How is this pressure gradient created? And how do you expect that gradient to be in areas, basically, how do you expect the pressure potential to be in areas close to the root that is absorbing the water versus soil that is far away from the root? So I want you to talk in your group. If you want to talk to them. And then kind of figure out, if you had to explain this to someone in your own words, how would you explain water moving through the soil and how the pressure gradient is maintained so that more water keeps going through it? And that's in your worksheet, and then we'll talk about it.
The gradient, and a big piece of it is like transpiration in leaves, drawing water out of the plant, out of the top. It's like the back to the top, and it's dropping to the bottom.
Since we can pulling moisture from here, it's going to carry down moisture this way across. It never goes.
So,
Remember, we're still talking about the soil. We're not talking about roots yet, we're talking about soil.
What is the pressure within the soil?
Within the soil.
Within the soil, altered by the roots?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
it's like, because it creates a vacuum from the top, or what would be
Oh, okay.
is that not the important piece of it?
I don't think it's
So then we got me to say, like the next one.
Oh, or is it soil?
You go positive. The soil I don't know why. No, I have to.
Speaking of that energy, it's true. So then, any soil.
Sure, so make sure. Yes. Just like when we put the soil, we do positive pressure. Lower high. Yeah, but so like as the so the water in the soil is concentrated and also the water flows from
Yes, but so we're still talking about, this is all still the same. Okay, so, yes, so one of the things is, remember we always said the more water just because we talked in itself, more water is water that can be water, right? And that is water. If we're talking about solutes, more water dilutes the solutes, and because solutes are opposite water potential,
So
in any
as
case, more
soil
water
loses
means
water,
higher water potential, right? So now think about the soil part.
potential gets eroded.
You water, you have your plant, like over soil, and you water it, so at some point, all the soil
Is
has
it
to
close
come
to
out,
zero?
right? After
And
you
then
spray
it
over.
was closer to zero.
How do you start kind of creating that
It was
rate
zero.
so that the water moves to the roots?
So it can still be ADF
Yeah, but we're
pressure control
still,
of
so
0.1 and
it's
pressure
tricky
control
because the roots are
it
still
would still be flowing to 0.1.
not as important just yet.
I
So the thing is that, so
think so, but
Yeah,
we're
I
still
think
not in
it's
the
still-
roots, we're still in the soil. Yeah, so it's difficult because it's all because of the transpiration didn't happen. None of these
I don't
will
think-
happen. So,
That would be
so,
like-
yeah, so you kind of, so
It's not a vacuum, it's
yeah,
just
so
moving to
let's
it.
say you have all of this, and this entire table is soil and water, everything. Then you have the planting.
Is it really just saying that,
As water,
like
you know,
the
soil
site
is exposed
potential
to
is
the
zero
soil,
to negative?
and it's all related to water content.
Zero and five,
As the soil starts to dry,
like, and
there is something that happens to that soil, to that water air interface, and the radius. The key is the radius of the interface. And the key is that radius, because that